So the real advantage of the Solar Pro is that it's extremely easy to move around a site. It attaches to any skid steer with normal hydraulics. Very accurate. The guys that run it very effectively and efficiently, and we can get a large quantity of those installed in a pretty quick fashion. Rhino is the correct company name because it doesn't break down. We've had no issues with that whatsoever probably after thousands of piles now. So we enjoy using it, and we're going to continue.